If your house is in need of some love like this one, I have the 2 things you could do to bring it back to life this Easter long weekend. We're going to bring back the love to this family living room and a hallway with simply paint and styling. We're going to paint the walls in this family living room white. That will enable us to amplify the styling that we go with and really bring the colours out. White will help us show off so much more than just the walls. It provides a stage for bolder colour choices with your styling. We've narrowed our selection down to 3 whites from the Dulux range. So one option is Dulux Lexicon Quarter. Another option is Natural White. And a third option is Antique White USA. Lexicon Quarter is a cool, crisp, contemporary white and suits spaces that want to feel modern and clean. Natural White is the neutral bridge. Neither warm nor cool, it adapts to light and mood. Lastly here we have Antique White USA, which is a warm, sophisticated classic white. It breathes with the older homes and brings warmth without yellowing. In the end, I've actually gone for the Dulux Antique White USA. In my opinion, it's the warmest out of the 3 and is going to be the perfect base for this family living room, and particularly the dark hallway, to enable the spaces to feel bright and airy and let the gorgeous, colourful furniture pop.
It's about to get real good. To get real good.
So here I am in the transformed living space. Now you'll recall it looked very different when we started this project. This was a living room that also housed the family's kids' toys. So what we've done is we've reclaimed this room and it is a living space that the whole family can enjoy, and we found another space within the home for those special toys for the kids. This space now feels calm and relaxed and a beautiful space for the whole family to enjoy. We always knew we wanted to keep the natural timber flooring and ceiling because it was really important to lean into the warmth and create an inviting space. The colour we chose for the walls needed to complement those tones, which is why we used Dulux Wash and Wear Low Sheen in the colour Antique White USA. It's a sophisticated colour and brings warmth without yellowing. To bridge the antique white walls with the timber features of the floor and ceiling, we painted the window frames and ceiling beam in Dulux Camel Hide in Aqua Enamel Low Sheen. This hallway was dark and swallowing light, and we wanted it to feel more open, as if natural light was flooding in. Painting the walls in Dulux Antique White USA has done just that, and I love the transformation. Styling and paint was key in transforming this space. Imagine what you can do in your home this Easter long weekend with Dulux paint.